Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach Seatruck modules onto your Seatruck. So I'll go ahead and pick out my Seatruck out of the dock, and you want to go ahead and go outside. Go to the top of the module, and here you'll see the option Pilot Module. Of course, I can't do this because I have the docking module on, but you can go ahead and pilot this, move it away, grab the other one, and you just move behind the Seatruck. That's going to attach automatically. And that's how you attach Seatruck modules. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you next time.